MillerFlow vlog. Subscribe to MillerFlow vlog. Period.
Call of a waterfall. Little trowels peek up and down. The cars spin not north and south, but direction themselves from the roaring voices behind me. It is the call of a waterfall. As the trees stand tall and the water moves in its direction. Hold on, hold on. You see, there is no protection. It just calls, it just calls. Calls and says come to the waterfall. As you gather your mind together, you find that you can go low and high in the rocks. You can tarry there. You can find your plate and your place. You can look and see and reflect your own face, or sit at the bench that goes around as you travel and the waterfall calls you down. Call me, waterfall, call me as I sit and think on the bench. Call me, waterfall, as I spin from head. My head does winch. Winch? Yes, because the waterfall calls. The waterfall calls and says come. It says come, 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 dear child. But I refuse. I want to go another way and hide with the rocks. As I rise up and look, I see the waterfall. I see the waterfall, and the waterfall calls. Look, it's safe once you get down below. There's safety, safety down there below. The waterfall calls. It calls me face to face. And then I look and see where the water is chased. The water is chased as it runs down the creek, and I spin my head back and forth, wondering, am I meek? Has the waterfall called me? Has the waterfall called me? Has the waterfall called me? It must have called. So I stand tall, O waterfall. You may have won this round, you may have won, but I know we're not done.